Meet Brad. How long have you been working here for? Like doing the Whiteway?
The Whiteway's probably 15 years old now.
Oh wow.
We've only had the Guinness Book of World Records for the last 10 years. But yeah, I'm the sole manager, maintenance guy for the whole time. So it's been a good job. It's a great job, actually. People clap when I go by, and they bow and do all kinds of funny stuff like that. And the social media stuff is extraordinary, how appreciative everyone is of the product we put on.
Yeah, did you know you were a local legend? Some say you're the ice scientist.
Well, there is a certain amount of science. This year in particular, it's been a tough year. We didn't really get enough cold weather to get our 3-ton Whiteway machine out. It needs 14 inches of ice, and that means 14 inches everywhere on the whole surface. So that's, roughly 25 kilometers of ice. You have to have that same consistency all the way through. So we had sections that had 12 inches of ice, but other places that it only had 6. So yeah, there is a bit of ice science to be had there, for sure.